Lovelies, it's OC Craft here. And for this video, we are going to unbox or unpack a Korean bedsheet package. Now for the first item, I have here a elastic bed mattress gripped cup holder, or what we call a fastener or a bed fastener. It comes with 3 clips, para siyang suspender na pwede mong i-adjust, pasikipin man or paluagin. I suggest pasikipin mo siya para at least pag grip ng bedsheet mo underneath your bed, mas maganda ang hatak niya. And this item cost 39 pesos only at 4 ang binili ko. Now for the second item, I bought this 3-in-1 Korean cotton queen size bedsheet set. It comes with 1 fitted sheet and 2 pillowcases. And this bedsheet is made of Korean cotton, pero according dun sa description nila, it's combined cotton. And I bought this item pala on Shopee, and ang name ng store niya is Angbo. Now let's see naman kung anong klaseng tela siya. So I choose this parang grid line style na design kasi gusto ko magkaroon ng parang aesthetic bedsheet. So ito yun siya, ito yung bedsheet. Yup. Looks good naman siya. And then as mentioned, it's a Korean cotton daw, and it's combined cotton according to the description. For me, it's kinda parang siyang may pagka-glossy type na tela. So this one naman is the pillowcases, and the size of it is 18 inches by 28 inches. Yes, dalawang pillowcase ang kasama niya. And ang opening niya, wait lang, hanapin natin. Wala siya sa gilid. Oh, nasa gitna pala siya. And nasa gitna ang kanyang opening, which is, for me, it's a good kind of pillowcases. Hindi siya zipper, yung, alam mo yun, pag matulog ka, tapos matama yung zipper sa face mo. So, better ang ganitong style na sa gitna siya, para secure din yung pillow mo. Now, for our third item, this one naman is the 3-in-1 velvet cotton double size bedsheet set. So, ito yung pinaka-excited ako sa order ko, kasi ang cute ng design niya. So, let's open it. So again, all these items I purchased sa Shopee, and ang store niya is ni Angbon. It's not sponsored, guys. Gusto ko lang i-share. Now, you may wonder bakit double size bedsheet yung in-order ko nito. Kasi walang available ng queen size. So, I purchased it on the double size. So, ganito ang itsura niya. See, maganda, diba? It's color pink. And again, it's grid line. And gusto ko yung packaging nila. Itong parang plastic envelope na to. Gamit na gamit sa akin to. So, I will keep it. It's a good deal. Now, let's open this one. Ito namang tela nito, talagang different from the previous one. Kasi itong tela na to is 100% velvet cotton daw. And for me, I think it's true. Kasi iba talaga yung tela niya. Talagang super cotton. I-compare mo yung sa isa kanina, parang may pagka-glossy type. Yan, ito yung design niya. May peach na drawing. And meron siyang garterized. And again, it comes with a 1 fitted sheet na garterized and 2 pillowcases din. And this item cost 280 pesos. Yung kanina, yung previous naman is 250. So, may difference sila. Yung hindi ko lang na pansin dito, may nakasulat pala siya na text image. May nakasulat siya na image, no? Peaches style. Pero okay na, maganda naman siya. It's a good steal. Then, ito naman yung pillowcase niya. It's the same tela, which is 100% velvet cotton daw. And again, nasa gitna yung kanyang opening, which is good design. At same size din siya dun sa previous natin na pillowcases, which is the 18 inches by 28 inches. So, this is the outcome. This is the bed of my daughter. Yan. Actually, yung bed ng daughter ko is a single bed. So, what I did, bedsheet na yung nag-adjust, diba? So, there you have it, lovelies. Thank you for watching and I hope you like this unboxing video. And if you like this kind of product, I will put the link at the description box below. So, thank you!